Hello, my name is Mike Renau. I'm from Renau Corp, and today I'm going to show you guys a really cool new product. So these are smart kitchen timers, or SKTs. Now, these are the most advanced commercial kitchen timers currently on the market. As opposed to traditional channel-based timers, these do not have any channels. As a matter of fact, you can program up to 1,000 items per each timer. So you have a lot of flexibility with the programming. You can program as well job aids. You can attach sensor modules. It's pretty much the last kitchen timer and the only kitchen timer you will ever really need for your restaurant or commercial kitchen. You have right here in a horizontal view a timer that's set to the cook functionality, and another one here that's set to the hold functionality, and this one is in vertical orientation. So a lot of different mounting options. You can mount it over by your holding station, your hot bar, cold bar, or you can mount your cook unit over at your fryer, your griddle station. A lot of different possibilities on where you can use this and how you can use it. Some of the benefits include reduced waste, also being able to cut costs while not having to sacrifice quality. You have the option also to program job aids, which helps with training new employees, as well as kind of refreshers on LTOs and promo items. You have a lot of different possibilities with the programming as well. You can program them to be used at pretty much any station, whether it's a cook station, a hold station, a food prep station. A lot of different functionality in one small package over here. The SKT guarantees freshness and quality, and also ensures that your kitchen is operating at peak performance at all times.